Hello, my name is Enrique. In this video I want to show you my multi-tool. It's a multi-tool. I pay about €7. It's not expensive. It has here pliers. It's foldable like this. I use this in combination to break pieces of wood to put in my fire stove like this, clack clack clack, and also to put wood inside my stove. You see it's here little black. I take this every time with me. Here on this side it has a knife. It's not really a high quality, but I use this piece. The rest I have not an original Victorinox, but similar, so I don't need this. This is a piece I don't really know. It's not sharp. I don't know for what is the purpose of this tool. Then you have here, I think this is a screwdriver, and this is to open bottles. Here you have an opener for food containers. I don't know the name. I must look what is the name for Konserven in English. Here a little screwdriver. And here I think other screwdriver, a different type. This should be a saw, but you can see this is not, this is all but not a saw. I can make like this. It is I think maybe it's good for fish, to put the skin outside. Oh, here I see, now I see you have here centimeter. Yeah, you can see to measure. Here you have a piece like this, and it has in the fold, when you fold it, it has 10 centimeter, and this is 1.2, 1.3, I think less than 3 centimeters like this, and here 1.3 centimeter. So I put this tool together with my Victorinox, not original Victorinox, together here. The weight from this is 22 grams, so it's 11 grams for each tool. The weight from this tool is 141 gram, and I bought it from Germany, from Real. The shopping is called Real, and it is called Multifunktionswerkzeug Angeln. The article number is 012669300102, and the price is €6.99. For this price, it's okay. It works very good. The pliers is important. The rest, except this tool, I don't really need. Yes, okay. I hope you like this video, and I hope you see more videos from my channel. Bye bye.